Welcome to the first in a series of tutorials for AutoCAD. In this series we'll be covering basic AutoCAD commands, creation and modification of geometry, as well as orthographic projection and some other functionality of AutoCAD. So to get started, this should look similar to your startup screen, and what we're going to do is click New, and then a list of templates come up. Now you can customize these templates, you can create new templates, but for right now we're going to click the AutoCAD template. DWT is the default file name for a drawing template file. And we can see we've got a black screen. Your screen might look a little different than mine. One of the things that I like to change is under Options, Display. I like to change my color theme to light. If you leave it dark, apply that down here, we see that it looks like this. Personal preference, I've been using AutoCAD since 1991 and I'm used to the lighter background for my color theme. So personal preference. We have shortcuts up here. Just like any other Windows-based program, we have a ribbon and a lot of tools that we're going to learn. Customizing the quick access toolbar can be done through this pull down. We see we have a lot of different options. If there's an option that you use more than others, please feel free to add it. Saving is done here. Save as. Just like any other Windows-based program, Control S will save the drawing in its current state. And again, that file name is DWG for AutoCAD drawings. That is going to conclude this tutorial. We'll pick it up in the next tutorial and hope to see you then.